I'm Seth, and behind the camera as usual is Tobias. We're from Nelson Tiny Houses, and we're very excited to show you guys the location where we are going to build tiny houses from now on. When we got here, there was the most disgusting mobile home any of us have ever witnessed, so it was quite clear that it needed to be demolished, which is what you're going to watch in the video here. All that we kept is the frame for it, and we're going to use that to actually build a shop on. Yeah, we've been just making a mess and cleaning up for the last couple weeks, and it's actually looking pretty good, relatively speaking. And we did a little electrical shed where we get all our power from in the meantime until we have the shop. And this is the first tiny house that we're building here on site. It's a 240 square foot V house. And once we get further along with that, we'll do another video and share that with you as well. But for now, have fun watching the demolition.
Living in there. That was like gutting a fish. Yeah.